My name is J.G. Francis. I own Mercedes Motoring in Glendale, California, and I do vintage Mercedes-Benz restoration. Seeing the details of these cars really defines the pride and the craftsmanship that has gone into it. One of my current cars is a 1973 250C. It's a European version. I've definitely owned my share of cars at this point, probably 400 or 500, I would say. And this is easily my favorite car I've ever owned. It's the one I go to every time I have a chance to hit the open road and get out of town. On the rare occasion that it rains out in the desert, it's probably like the most special moment out there for me. Owning an old car, a vintage car, it's a love-hate relationship. I have tried to master that to a certain degree, and I get around most of the problems. It's not an adventure for me until something goes wrong. You see a very special side of nature if you wake up before the sun rises. But occasionally you'll get fog in the desert, and it's so dramatic and cool looking. After it rains, you couldn't ask for a better place to be. Out in Joshua Tree and Yucca Valley, there's an endless labyrinth of tiny roads that lead everywhere. I've been chased off many people's properties that I didn't know I was on, and I go down roads that don't even look like roads. You have to figure it out when you're looking at it. Getting lost is just a part of the adventure. I don't plan my trips very extensively. I just generally wake up every day and I go in that direction. And however far I get is how far I get. It's not about point A to point B, how fast I can get there. It's about the experience of driving.